So hello guys, I'm giving a tour of my Barbie Vacation house. So this is the dog, and this is the bed, and this is another dog, and this is the bed of the small dog, and this is the dog house. So that's it. Let's go for the next room. It's the living room. So this is the TV, this is the remote, the radio, the Barbie's picture with her friends, and the coffee table. This is the couch. This is Teresa, and this is Ken. This is Chelsea, Barbie's daughter. And that's it. Let's go for the next room. Is Lila's bedroom. So this is Lila's bed. She have a blanket, a dog, a pillow, a teddy bear, and this is the basket full of seashells and one fish. And this is Lila sitting to the couch, and this is the pillow. So this is the pillow. This the play kitchen, and that's it. Let's go for the next room. Is Chelsea's bedroom. So this is Chelsea's bedroom. She's have a 3 chair for her sister, and this is the chair. This is the mirror, and this the 2 clip, and this her French fries. This her toy, and this is the cabinet, and this her toy again. And this is a cabinet can open. And this is the iPad, the ruler, the message, and the calculator. And this is her pet. This is the dog onto her bed. And this is the rug, and this is the bed. She's have a blanket, and a teddy bear, a pillow, and a table and a chair. So that's it. Let's go for the next room. This is the dining room. So this is the dining room. It's have a light, and a table can move. And this is her food, and this is a big hamburger, and the table can be used as a and can be used to be a breakfast bar, and this and the back of the chair can be like this, and back it up, and that's it. So let's go for the next room. This is the kitchen room. So this is the kitchen room. It's like a sink, a cooking pan, and a stove, cookies, and 2 cups, a blender, a big spoon, a knife, and a spatula. This is the Hawaii drink. This is the pineapple, and this is the beer, and this is the refrigerator. So a food, a fish, and a chips. And that's it. Let's go for the next room. Is the bathroom. She's have a bathroom. She's have a shower, a toilet, can up and down. And that's it. Let's go for the last room. Is Barbie's bedroom. So this is Barbie's bedroom. She's have a bed, a table, a laptop, and a dress, a sheet, a hair blower, and her pet is a turtle. And this is the drawer. She's have this dog bottle, a two dog's food. This is a dog ball, a bones, a rope, and this is the light. This is her shoes, and this is the package bag, and this is the bag. This is the laptop, and this is her magazine, a diary, a paper, and a phone. It's a phone and a paper, and she's have a diary inside of her bag. So this is the stair can fold, and back again to be a normal stair. And that's the end of my tour of my Barbie Glam Vacation House. So bye bye, thank you.